Okay.
The purple one is a spiky one. And you hurt yourself with the purple spiky flower.
Oh.
So you must be very careful.
Is that your picture?
No, it's the map.
Oh. Who's coming downstairs?
I think it might be my mommy.
Your mommy.
Yeah. Oh, and Booth. I've got another special present. I bought a new DS.
You bought a new DS?
Yes, do you want to see it?
Yes, please.
Okay. Here it is, my new DS. My new DS.
Wow.
Do you want to hear how I play on it? It says, we're going to China, we're going to China.